Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're just tuning in for the first time, you're welcome. I'm coming. How do I look? Okay guys, don't mind me. Good morning. Yes, this is a wonderful day. This is a wonderful morning. If you are seeing this video in the evening, well, this is a wonderful evening. Yes, whenever a man wakes up, it's his morning. Yes, it is an Igbo adage. All right guys, you're welcome to my channel this morning or this hour. And like I said last time when I uploaded that video on how to remove poverty, from your life using broom. So now I told us in that video that I'll be continuing with series, let me say 2 or 3 videos on broom series. Yes, this morning I have come again to tell us or to share an idea with us on how to use broom again, to remove certain things from our lives, from our home. Okay, all right. But before I go into that, I want to show us something quickly to remind us. It's not that we don't know these things, although some people are joining us on this channel, some are new on this channel, so they don't know what Atekpa is. Okay, so I want to show us briefly before I go into today's video. I want to show us what Atekpa is and what it does. Let me tell us one thing. This is Atekpa, right? Atekpa. Atekpa. What I usually do is you buy one, I send 2 to you. So it's like I'm doing promo up to now. Yes. You buy 1, you get 2. Yes. See, Atekpa takes care of anything that has defeated science, anything that cannot be noticed by machines, that cannot be detected by tests, scan or whatever, medically. So it is a spiritual neutralizer. It neutralizes poison. It destroys any witchcraft attack. Let's say, okay, this sickness, this person has been afflicted by witchcraft, through witchcraft, so to say, and you've been taking medications. Of course, you cannot take medications to cure witchcraft affliction. Yes, but Atekpa stresses that. Yes, I've received series of testimonies. 3 weeks ago, a man called me that before he bought Atekpa from me, he was urinating blood. Yes, he was urinating blood whenever he goes to the toilet to urinate. The water system, the toilet will be filled with blood, red. But when he saw the Atekpa advertisement on my channel, he bought and he started taking it. So he said let him wait and see, because now the urine, the blood has dried up. No more, his urine is very, very clear now. So he called me to tell me that what is in that Atekpa. I said, my brother, me too, I don't know. It is what I know that I'm telling you guys. So what is inside Atekpa cannot be explained. But if you are undergoing anything spiritual that is beyond your own understanding, get Atekpa. Even Atekpa has chaff. The chaff that is collected from this, if you put it under your bed, the way some people they used to dream and somebody will come and be choking them, all that kind of dreams or visitations in your house, in your room, that will not be possible once you have Atekpa inside your house. Yes, this thing is natural and it is real. When God created this world, he did not leave anything behind. He created everything whole, complete. He has made some remedies available for us. The problem we have is that we don't have knowledge. We lack the wisdom, we lack the knowledge. We don't know where to get these things. Yes, so if you have not got your own Atekpa yet, you need to get Atekpa. Yes, and anything that is introduced into your body that does not agree with your system, Atekpa can neutralize it. If you collect any vaccine, any injection, anything that is going to be a sickness, it's something that will make you miserable, make your life inside your body, sickly, Atekpa will neutralize it. Yes, that's why I call it spiritual poison neutralizer. Anything that will make you sick is a poison to your body, apart from witchcraft attack. You understand? So Atekpa is very good. And I can see that few people have placed order for anti-infection. What are you waiting for? This thing is very, very, very effective. Yes, please, I don't want to talk too much about products. Let me talk to us about broom. Yes, the one I want to talk about today is a situation whereby you feel the presence of some entity in your house. You can pray with broom in your hand. Yes, let me show you this one again. This is the one I have in the house here right now. You see, broom that you can order broom. Even if you're not living in Nigeria, you can order broom on, is it Amazon or eBay? You can order broom online. They will deliver it to your house. Yes, don't ask me to send you broom, please. I've sent broom to somebody in Sweden before. But please don't ask me to send you broom. See, get broom, okay? Get broom in your house. When you feel you are feeling some strange movement at where are, or you feel you're feeling presence of something. This thing, I learned it from my mom. Yes, I remember when I was a kid, and we happened to travel, and I followed my auntie, that is my mom's younger sister, who was staying with us. I followed her to the stream, and she saw something. I saw something, but what I saw was very beautiful, but she saw something differently. You understand? So she started running. I followed her. Then when we got home in the night, she started screaming. She'll be screaming, "Hey, she's coming! Oh, she's coming! Oh!" You understand? And then I was lying down behind my mom, and everybody is awake. Yes, I am seeing what is coming. I saw. I don't know. I see things. So I saw. And that thing will come inside. My mom was not seeing that thing, but I was seeing it. So what my mom does is that she will use broom. She will begin to beat, around the house. And one thing, spiritual entity, they don't want broom to touch them. Yes, anoint your broom. Put anointing. Anoint your broom. From time to time, pray, and then move your broom around your house. This one around is not cobwebby. We are talking about sweeping out spiritual entity from your home. Yes, there are some spiritual entities that have come to take residence. They have come to take position in your house. They are also tenants. Yes, like some of you travel out. As you are going, somebody will just hit the wall and follow you to that place. you are going there to struggle for visa, to collect visa, to sign passport, to pay ticket. Those entities, they don't pay ticket, they don't need visa, they just follow you there. and they be following you up and down, making your life miserable. You will be abroad for years, nothing to show for it. When others are getting paper, you will not get. Why? Because you have an escort. You have a spiritual escort that is following you up and down. So you can use to chase out anything that is not the Spirit of God in your house. Yes. And it will go. Because I see my mom. My mom will carry broom. She will begin to beat everywhere, chase everywhere. And I will just see, piam, the thing will just disappear. Without opening the door, it will just go out. So, me, I didn't take it as anything. But my auntie, she was seeing that thing. She was scared, and she was, she started running fever after some days, and she was treated. Then my mom started speaking to that spirit, say, you, foul spirit, where I'm coming from, in our own family, we are Christians. We don't have food for a spirit like you. We don't feed them. I don't even know your food. So I don't know what you are looking for with my sister. We are strangers in this land. Therefore, you should know that we are strangers. And we don't have your kind of food. So please, go. And my sister will never go to the stream at that time again. So the spirit just did, and left. My auntie ran temperature for a while. She was, then she was treated, and that was all. So there are things, the way you see people are moving in physically, that is how there are spirits also. You understand? So when you invite them into your house, they will come. Some they are uninvited. Some they just come on their own. Some they are attracted to you like spiritual husband. There's some they'll be attracted to you, or like spiritual wife. Those are the ordinary spiritual wife and spiritual husband. But we have what we call witchcraft spirit husband and witchcraft spirit wife. Family idol spirit husband and family idol spirit wife. Those ones, they are not easy to chase away. You understand? So, guys, I think I will stop here this morning or this hour, because I don't know when you're going to see this video. Please subscribe to my channel, okay? Give me a thumbs up. Please, now, when you watch my video, give me a thumbs up. Now, what will it reduce from you? It will not add anything or reduce anything from you now. Give me a thumbs up. Yeah? Alright, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And remember, keep smiling always. Because smiling is the best dress you can wear. Yes. So, have a wonderful day. And I'll see you again in our next video. Thank you. Love you all. Bye.